Good day. Today we will present an example of cultural appropriation from a local event and explain how it can be transformed into cultural appreciation.
This is Beauty Gonzalez. At the GMA Gala 2022, she wore gold jewelry made from ancestral artifacts which sparked huge controversy online.
This is an example of cultural appropriation because the jewelry she wore was not just ordinary gold. These were actual ancestral burial artifacts from pre-colonial Philippine heritage. Specifically, iron malt covers used in ancient funeral rituals in Butuan and Surigao. Wearing these artifacts as accessories strip away the original meaning and turn them into a fashion statement. Critics even call this grave robbery fashion, saying these pieces belong in museums, not on a red carpet. This shows sacred cultural items can lose their value when removed their original context and used for glamour.
How to turn it into cultural appreciation. To make this cultural appreciation instead, the jewelry could have been inspired by ancestral gold but recreated with modern materials instead of using the real artifacts. The original artifacts should have been remain in museums where their history and meaning are preserved. Another way is to include an educational segment during the gala to explain the story and cultural importance of these gold pieces.
In conclusion, cultural appreciation means honoring and respecting culture, giving proper credit and educating others, not just cultural elements for fashion.
By understanding the context, we celebrate heritage instead of exploiting it.